Apple posts its highest ever quarterly earnings, and Elon Musk loses nearly $25 billion overnight. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Apple has posted its highest ever quarterly earnings, with sales climbing 11% to nearly $124 billion in the first fiscal quarter. Profits also beat projections, and the company predicts sales will grow by a double-digit percentage in the March quarter. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest loser today is Elon Musk, who lost a tenth of his wealth, a staggering $24.5 billion overnight, dropping his net wealth to $218 billion. The plummet came after Tesla warned shareholders that supply chain issues may hamper growth this year. Our second biggest loser today is Carlos Slim Helu, down $1.8 billion with net wealth of $77.5 billion. And our third place loser today is Wang Chanfu, down $1.8 billion with net wealth of $19.3 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. The Nissan-Renault-Mitsubishi Alliance will invest $25.7 billion over the next 5 years to create 35 new electric vehicle models by 2030. The massive cash injection is in addition to the $11.2 billion it's already invested in electrification. The alliance currently has 15 plants that produce parts, motors, and batteries for 10 EV models, and about 1 million EV cars have been sold so far. The Arab Monetary Fund is extending a new $368 million loan to Egypt to help it navigate the current circumstances. The AMF says the support will strengthen Egypt's financial position and help it to meet emergency needs. Fitch Ratings has decided to lower Kuwait's long-term foreign currency issuer default rating to AA- from AA, as the outlook remains stable. Fitch says the downgrade was driven by Kuwait's continued heavy dependence on oil, the generous welfare state, and the massive public sector that employs over 80% of the population. Electronic payments accounted for 57% of the total transactions in Saudi Arabia's retail segment last year, exceeding the 55% target. The Saudi Central Bank says the number of transactions exceeded 5.1 billion in 2021. That's 81% growth compared to a 76% growth in 2020. Abu Dhabi's Taweelah reverse osmosis plant will start to produce 100 million gallons per day in this year's first quarter as it targets full commercial operations by the end of the year. Once complete, the RO plant will be 44% bigger than the world's current biggest plant, and it will provide water for over 350,000 households. A restaurant in Saudi Arabia is offering patrons a unique experience: dishes with a side of skull and blood served in the company of zombies and vampires. The restaurant Shadows caters to horror film buffs with strong stomachs, allowing them to savor their dishes while staff in gory costumes put on interactive shows. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.